friends, good morning. My name is Kanchana from KSU Nakapalli, Visakhapatnam. Today we are discussing about rational numbers. Already previous classes we learned some rational numbers, but today some more. Okay, today rational numbers. What is the rational numbers? Nothing but fractions. Already we have seen the numerator and denominator is division 2%. Okay, rational numbers divide into two parts, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Okay, today's topic is rational numbers. Rational numbers divide two parts. What is terminating and one more non-terminating. Terminating, recurring. What is that? First one is terminating and non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, terminating means we have to easily convert into decimal part. First of all, fraction denominator division fraction, we get the remainder 0 and end of the part is decimal part. Okay, we take one more example. 5 by 2 means 2 divides 5. Already you know 2 divides 5. 2 divides 2 divides 5. 2 2s are 4. 1 and 2 5s are 10. What we observe? The remainder is 0 and 5 by 2 means nothing but 2.5. 2.5 means this is the terminating because of decimal part is only 1. We have to identify how many decimal parts? Only one part. It is the 5. And one more example, 17 by 5. 17 by 5 means 5 divides 17. This is the 5 3 is the 15. 5 3 is 7 minus 5 2. Oh, one more. 5 4 is the 20. 20 divides. Subtract 0. Here also we get the remainder 0 and how many decimal part? We have to calculate how many decimal part. It is only terminating. It is only terminating. How many decimal parts? One only. Next, one more example. 8 by 15. Okay. 8 by 15. 8 by 15 means 15 divided 8. So 15 table has not any 8. So 0.5 5 is 75. 5 0 minus 4. This is the 10. This is the 7. 10 minus 5 5 and one more 0. 5 3 is 15 and 5 3 is 15. 45. 15 and one more 5 3 is 45. Up to so on. What do we observe? Here we did not get the remainder 0 and how many decimals part we can't identify. We can't identify because of we have to divide in the this one and this one. What we observe? 5 by 2 means 2.5. 5 by 2 means 2.5 and 17 by 5 means 3.4 and 8 by 15 means 0.533. We have to different from these two and this one. These two are terminating. This one more name. This is the non-terminating recurring. Recurring means one number repeated more times. One number or two numbers or 3 times. More times repeating more times. This is the endless up to so on, infinitely. It's called a non-terminating recurring decimal. We have to prepare one table. Just we see. This is the 5 by 2 already we did and 17 by 5 already we did and 8 by 15 already we did 9 by 10 also. So 5 by 2 means nothing but 2.5, 17 by 5 means 5.4 and 8 by 15 means 0.5333 up to 7 and 9 by 10 also 0.9. Okay, already we observed 5 by 2 means terminating, T means terminating and 17 by 5 means terminating, 18 by 5 already we know 5.33333 up to 7. This is the endless. This name is non-terminating recurring decimal and 9 by 10 also 0.9. Okay, denominator we have to easily write 2.1 in the same way 5.1 15 we have to write 5 into 3 sorry 9 by 10 2 into 5 into 3. These three are same. Someone 2 into 1 or 2 into 5 but 5.3 is another one. This is the non-terminating. Okay, we have to prepare the general form of the terminating, non-terminating. Terminating denominator, we have to write product of 2 and 5 and rising of 2 and 5. Rising of 5. So 2 power n or 5 power n. No need to write like this only. We have to prepare only. I am only for our convenience m and n. In the same way, non-terminating repeating 2 power m and 5 power n. One more number k. I only k, we take only another number k. This is the general form of terminating 2 power m and 5 power n. Non-terminating recurring repeating at 2 power m and 5 power n and into k, 5 power n k. Okay. Now we take only previous examples. We have to only 5 by 2 nothing but 2.5. Decimal form. This is the 2.5 mean decimal form. Now we are converting to decimal form into fractional form or fractional form into decimal form. Now 2.5 we have to convert into fraction. How to write fraction form? First as usual write, no need to write decimal form. 225 as usual numerator and denominator also. How many decimal points there? Only one only. So we take 1 after 1 0. This is the fractional form or fraction number. Fractional form nothing but decimal number and decimal number nothing but fraction. Easily we know. Next one more 1.5736. This is also decimal form. We now convert into decimal form, convert into rational number. Now first of all we have to write, no need to write, no think about decimal form. First of all 15736 and 1 after denominator. How many decimals there? 4 decimals. So put the zeros, 4 zeros. Easily student, easily now. Okay. Next one already 0.8 by 15. This is 0.53 bar. This is a non-terminating recurring decimal. We also convert into fractional form. So first of all, fractional form. First of all, we have to take x equal to 0. Which number repeated more times? 3, 3, 3, 3 up to so on. 3, 3, 3 up to so on. Next, how many numbers repeated here only? 1 only. So we have to multiply both. This is the one, put the 1. We multiply by 10 both sides. So 10x. 10x means we have to multiply 10. One number move left side. So 5.3333 up to 1. This is the second one. Now we are rubbing this one. Subtract from 2 and 1. Now we subtract 1 from 2. What is 2? 10x equal to 5.333. Now what is x? X equal to 0.5333 up to so on. Okay, this is the subtract one. 9x, 5. Sorry, we have to carry 1. No, 4. 4.13 minus 5, 8 only. So remaining 0, 0, 0. So now x equal to 4.8 by 10. Here also same. Point after how many digits? Only 1 digit. So 48 by 9. This is the fraction number. So our fraction number. One more example we have to take. Children, any doubt? Okay, no doubt. You next carry 0. For suppose 0.9 bar. 0.9 bar. One more example we take 0.9. This is also recurring repeating decimal. First one, how many numbers repeated here? Or what we say? For suppose what is the period? Period how much? 9 only. Now periodicity. How many numbers repeated? Only one number. That is 1. If the help of periodicity, we have to convert into non-terminating recurring decimal, convert into fraction. With the help of periodicity, very useful periodicity. Now 0.9 bar, let us say x equal to 0.9999 up to so on. This is the only periodicity one only, so that's why we have to multiply 10 both sides. We multiply by 10 both sides. Both sides 10 into x means 10x, and also 10 multiply this one number move this side 9.9999 up to this is 2. This is the one. Now we subtract 1 from 2. 1 from 2. What is 2? 10x equal to 9.9999 up to 2. What is x? X equal to 0.99999 up to 4. Okay, now we subtract 10x minus x means 9x. This is the 9 minus 0. Up 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9. This is the 9. No need to write 9 after 0. We have to write no need. So x equal to 9 by 9. This is 9 by 9. Calculate using a 9 by 9 1. So 0.9 bar nothing but that is answer only 0.9 bar nothing but it is only 1 only. Children, I hope you understood properly terminating and non-terminating vector this one. Now we are going to exercise 1.3. What do we find exercise 1.3? First one, express the following decimal form into p by q form. Already we know p by q form is nothing but fraction form. First one is 0.57. This is a decimal form. Decimal form means point after how many digits there? 2 digits there. How many digits there? 2 digits there. First one we have to write. No need to write. No need to think about decimal form. As usual form 0.57. And after 1 after how many digits repeated? How many digits this one? 2 digits. 1 after 2 digits. 2 digits. This is the before 0 there is no value. We have to write 57 by 100. Then we convert it to simplest form, but here not possible. 57 by 100 is the 0.57 is converting to 3 by 2 form. 57 by 100. And second one means 0.176. Here also how many digits? Decimal form 3 digits. As you are writing 0.176. And 1 after how many digits there? 3 digits. We put the 0, 3 zeros only. So next one 176 by 1000. So this is the 176 and 1000 after 2 can have 2 8 is 16. One more 2 8 is 16 and 2 500. Again 244. Again 250. Again 220. Again 175. Okay, enough. 22 by 170. This is the p by 2 form. P is 22 and q is 175. This is the fractional form. And 1 point, third one, 1 point, triple zeros, 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here also, not need to think about decimal form. We don't worry about the decimal form. That is all right. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. How many digits after decimal? 5. So 1 after 5 zeros. So this is the p by 2. And next one 25.125. Both one is 25.125. 25.125. Here also point after how many digits? 3 digits only. So terminal 25.125 by 1000. So 5. You have to cancel 5 table. No need to write, but I write 28 5 by the 25 and 5 to the 10 and 5 by the 20. 5 by the 25 and 5 by the 20 and again 540 5 1 5 by the 25 105. Next 105 by 40 and 5 2 is 105. So 21 by 8. This is the fraction number. Next, second section. Second section, express the following decimal form in the rational form. Express the following decimal form in the rational form. But 0.9 bar. Already we learned some more examples before, but again we have to write 0.9 bar. Already we learned 0.9 bar, nothing but 1. This is the terminating, non-terminating recurring decimal. Second question, 0.9 bar. How many digits repeated here? Only one repeated here. Periodicity is 9. Sorry, period is 9 and periodicity is 1. Period how much? Period 9. Periodicity is 1. Next, let us take x equal to 0.9999 Here periodicity is 1, so that's why I have to multiply by 10. Both sides multiply by 10. So 10x equal to, I have to multiply by 10, 9.9999. So this is the second one. Now we subtract. 1 from 2. This is the one. What is 2? 10x equal to 9.9999 up to so on. What is the first one? X equal to 0.9999 up to so on. So subtract 10x minus x means 9x. 9 minus 0 means 9. 9 minus 9 minus 9. This is the 0, 0, 0. So x equal to, no need to write zeros after decimal. 9 by 9. So x equal to 9 by 9 formula. So 0.9 bar value equal 1. 0.9 by value 1. Students, did you understand? Now we are going to next sum. 0.57 bar. 0.57 bar. Here, how many digits repeated? 57. How period how much here? 57. And periodicity? How many digits repeated here? 2. So, 2. Periodicity is 2. So now let us take x equal to 0.57 up to so on. Here how many digits repeated here? 2 only, so we have to multiply 100 by both sides. We multiply. This is the one. And 100. So 100x equal to 100 means we move this side 2 digits. So 57.57 up to so on. This is the second one. Now we subtract 1 from 2. We subtract 1 from 2. What is 2? 100x equal to 57.57. Now what is it? What is 1? X equal to 0.57 up to so on. Now we subtract 100x minus x means 99x. Here 57 minus 0, 57. 0, 0. No need to 0. Okay, 99x. 99x equal to 57. X equal to 57 by 99. So we have cancelled 3 table. 3 2s 3 1s 3. 3 9s 27. 3 33. So x equal to 99 by 33. This is the 0.57 bar equal to 19 by 30. This is the we require the answer. Next sum 0.729 bar. 0.729 bar. Third one. 0.729 bar. Only 29 only repeated here. 29 only recurring. 29 only recurring. How many digits here recurring repeating? 29. So here period how much? 29. Period is how much? Periodicity means how many numbers repeated. How many numbers periodicity. Here two numbers only repeated. That x equal 0.7292929 up to so on. Next, here two numbers only repeated. We multiply 100 both sides by 100. So 100x equal to two numbers move this side 72.9292929. This is the second one. We repeat this. We love this one. Okay, students, this one second one is 100x equal to 72.9292929. Next, first one is x equal to 0.7292929. So now we want to subtract this one. So 100x minus x is 99x. This is one 72 minus 9 minus 7 is 2. The remaining also 0 0 0 like this. So 99x equal to, no need to write, 72.2. Again 99x. Here again this is a decimal form. We have to already know decimal form convert into p by q form. How many digits after decimal? One only. So we have to for our convenience 72 to 1 after 1 0. This is the 722 by 10. Now we want to p by q form. 99x again we write 722 by 10. Now x equal to 722 by 990. Now again we have to cancel. 2 3 is 6, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. So x equal to 361 by 490. So non-repeating, terminating, recurring decimal convert into fractional form. Next 12.28 bar. Next one 12.28 bar. Next fourth one is 12.28 bar. 28 bar. Here also, how many numbers repeated here? Only 8 only bar there. So 8 is repeated so many times. Now let us take x equal to 12.2888 up to so on. Now here only 8 only repeated. We want to multiply by 10 both sides. We multiply. So 10x equal to already only 1 or 10 only multiply. So to move this side 122.8888 up to so on. This is the second one. This is the first one. We subtract 1 from 2. Now we have to write from what is 2? 10x. 10x equal to 122.888. Now second one x equal to 12.2888 up to so on. Now we subtract 10x minus x 9x. This is the 0, 2 1 1 110 110 minus 110.82 minus 6 0 0 0. So 9x equal to 110.6. Again, this is the decimal form. How many digits after decimal form? Only one only. So without decimal, we have to write as usual by 10. So again, x equal to 1006 by 90. Simplest form. X equal to 1006 by 90. Again we have to cancel. 2 5 is 10, 0, 2 3. So 45. X equal to 103 by 4. This is the 12.28 bar is equal to x equal to 503 by 45. This is the p by q form also. And again we have to go third sum. Okay students, now we are going to third sum. Here x plus y divides x minus y. But here some values are given here. X is 5 by 2 and y is equal to 3 by 4. Now first we have to find out x plus y and another find out x minus y. Next one simplify x plus y divides x minus y. First one is x plus y. What is x? 5 by 2 and another y is 3 by 4. Here two fractions, here multiply plus or minus. We have first of all complete the LCM. Here 2 and 4 we have to do LCM. LCM 2 on the 2 the 2 on the 1. So 2 to the 4. LCM is 4. Now again 5 by 2 into 4. 2 to the 4. This is 10 and 3 by 4. 4 for cancel 3. So this is the 13 by 4. What is the value of 13 by which one? X plus y is equal to 13 by 4. Next again we have to find x minus y. X minus y. What is x? 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. Here also LCM is 4. Already previously we have to calculate the LCM of 2 and 4. That's why this is the answer is 4. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 4. 2 to the 4 again 10 and then 3 by 4. 4 cancel 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 by 4. So now already we know x plus y is 13 by 4. X minus y is 7 by 4. Now finally we calculate the x plus y divides the x minus y. X plus y divides x minus y. What is the x plus y value? 13 by 4. 13 by 4 and x minus y value 7 by 4. You know 13 by 4 by 7 by 4. Denominator is fraction is there. Denominator bring up and down 13 by 4 reciprocal. So 13 by 4 into 4 by 7. So 4 cancel. This is the 13 by 4. This is the 13. Now x plus y divides x minus y. X plus y divides x minus y value. We get the 13 by 7. 13 by once you read x plus y divides x minus y, x equal 5 by 2 and y is equal 3 by 4. First we have to calculate x plus y, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Denominator is 2 and 4. We have to calculate LCM. 2 and 4 is the, we get the 4 only answer. So 5 by 2 simplify 10 and 3 by 4 simplify 3. So we have to add 10 plus 3, 13 by 4. And again we have to calculate x minus y, x is 5 by 2 and 3 by 4. Finally we get the answer 7 by 4. We want x plus y and x plus y divides x minus y. X plus y is 13 by 4 and x minus y is 7 by 4. X plus y 13 by 4 as usually right and 7 by 4 is reciprocally we get 13 by 4. 4 cancel 13 by 7. X plus y divides x minus y is 13 by 7. And another one x equal 1 by 4 and y is equal 3 by 2. X is equal to another one is okay. Second one x equal 1 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. First we have to calculate x plus y. What is x? 1 by 4 and again y is 3 by 2. So here find out the LCM of 4, 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, again 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2. So LCM is 4, 1 by 4 simplify 1 by 4 into 4, 4 cancel 1 plus and 3 by 2 into 4, 2 to the 4, this is the 6. So 7 by 4. This one is x plus y value. And again find out the x minus y value. X is 1 by 4 and y is 3 by 2. LCM already there, so for 1 by 4. So this is 1 minus 6. This is minus 7 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Now we find out x plus y divides x minus y. What is the x plus y value? 7 by 4. And x minus y value minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Now we get the 7 by 4 as usual, right? And denominator 5 by 4 is become a reciprocal minus 4 by 5. 4 cancel. This is the minus 7 by 4. So x plus y divides x minus y equal to minus 7 by 4. Simple, understood? X plus y divides x minus y. Again we have to repeat it. X equal 1 by 4 and y equal 3 by 2. X plus y is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by comma 4 is LCM, you take the 4 only. So 1 by 4 into 4, 4, 1, 4, 4 cancel 1 and 3 by 2 into 4, 2 2 is 4, 6. So 1 plus 6 is becoming 7 by 4 and x minus y also same 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 only. Here also 12 and 4 are LCM, we get the answer 4 only. So 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 4. Finally we calculate x plus y divides x minus y. In the same way 7 by 4 divides minus 5 by 4. First already we know two fractions are divides. First fraction is as usual writing and denominator fractions we take reciprocal. Reciprocal means there is fraction. So 5 by 4 become a minus 4 by 5. 5 4 4 cancel minus 7 by 5. Finally we get the answer x plus y divides x minus y minus 7 by 5. Next one more sum. Divide the sum of next fourth one. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. First here what we need, divide. Finally we divide. First we have to calculate the sum and the product of. The sum of first one, fourth one. The sum means addition. Sum of what is sum of? Minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. 12 by 7. First we have to do sum. Sum means 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Here two fractions is adding plus all is 5 and 7 again. Do LCM. 5 1 7. 7 1 5 into 7 35. LCM we get 35. So 35 again minus 35 by 5 into 7. 35 5 7 91. 37 minus 91 plus 12 by 7 into 35. 7 5 is 6 is the 60. So minus 91 plus 60 minus 29. 91 31. Sorry 91 31 minus 31 by 35 and again product of minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Again product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 2 by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by product means minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Here minus into minus plus 13 by 4. 14. 7 2 is 14. First finally divides the sum of and divides the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 and the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, already we write this one. 35 divide 13 by 14. Okay, minus 13 1 by 35. 13 by 14. As usually minus 31 by 35. Denominator is become a reciprocal 14 by 13. 13. 7 2 7 5. Now minus 22 62 by only 65. Minus 62 by 60. Finally we get the answer minus 62 by 65. Students understood? Next one. Here what we want, 2 by 5 of a number x is 1 by 7 of the number is, we get the 36. What is the 2 by 5 of a number x is, and 1 by 7 of same number is 36. What we want? That number we don't know. So 2 by 7 of a number, x is 1 by 7 of a number. So this one is exceed. This one. This one is exceeds the 1 by 7 of a number. Let a number x. Let a number x 7. Now 1 by 7 of a number. Now 2 by 5 of a number. So 2 by 5 into x. And again 1 by 7 of number. Same number. So 1 by 7 x. Here what do we want? 2 by 5 of a number. X is 1 by 7 of a number. This one is increased than 1 by 7 of a number. So 2 by 5x minus 1 by 7x equal to 36. This is the given is sum. 2 by 5 of x minus 1 by 7 of x equal 36. We want what we find out? X. X is that number. We find only that number. So 2x by 5 minus x by 7 equal to 36. Here 2 fractions is there. We have to do subtract. Subtract means first of all find out the LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 1 and 7. Again 7 1. So 5 into 7 35. First we have to calculate 2x by 7. 2x by 5 into 35 by 7 and 7 to the 14x minus again x by 7 into 35 7 5 so by 35 equal to 36. 14 minus x 9x. 9x by 36. 35 equal 36. Here 9x leaving this side 9x equal to here 35 is division at that side, move that side, multiplication 36 into 35. Here only find out x only 36 into 35 by 9. 9 4s are 36. So x equal to clean here. X equal to 4 into 35. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12, 140. So x equal to 140. X equal to 140. What is x? That number, given number. Given number is 140. Given number. Okay, children. We want to give some assignment tomorrow. First one is convert into decimal form. So 0.35 convert into 3 by 2 form. And again 0.694 same convert into 3 by 2 form. Again 0.3697 bar convert into children. I hope you understand. You enjoy this class. Thank you, children.